Everybody, this is your Pokemaster once again, and for today's video guys, it will be very short only. I'll just be sharing my thoughts guys about the Pokemon market crash, because there's a lot of videos telling that the Pokemon market crashed a bit by 5% or 10%, or some of the packs crashed by 30% or more. So I will share my thoughts about this. So if you observe guys, that is the Japanese and English market. Actually, the crash only happens there because there's a lot of scalpers already on that market, and the price is really going up because of the scalpers. You know, it's a law of supply and demand. So if you know economics and you know the law of supply and demand, then it should be basic information only to you. So for example, the price become very high. Of course, the demand will be very low. Some of the people cannot afford already to buy those booster packs. So imagine if the sales go down. Okay, so the sales go down, then the value of those packs will be going down as well because there's no people buying them, and there's a lot of new stocks coming in. There's a lot of new sets coming in, Pokemon new sets, and they are reprinting as well the other old sets. Like for example, the Prismatic Evolution. Right now, the Prismatic Evolution, guys, is very low. Okay, it's not super low, but it's sitting around the half of the price before the crash happened. So if you will tell me guys, if you still love to collect English or Japanese version, is the perfect timing to buy Prismatic Evolution and other stuff. But in my honest opinion guys, if you are adventurous like me, okay, so it's time to open your mind to enter the Korean market. You know why? Because the competition there is not so big. Okay, so there's no much scalper on that area. And as you can see in my previous videos, guys, we showed the Korean cards, the quality of it. They are really good actually. To be honest, the SAR, SR, and other cards in Korean is really good, guys. So compared to Japanese and English version, okay, so I'm showing it in my screen right now. So the value is low because the pack value is low. But imagine if the pack value guys is high, then the value of these cards will be high as well. So what I'm telling is guys, it's not about the price is not about because it's Korean or what. Previously the Japanese version guys, if you are an old Pokemon collector, you know that the Pokemon Japanese version packs were really cheap way back there. Way back 2019. So we are collecting Japanese booster packs before. Okay, cards. We're collecting Japanese Pokemon cards before, and the price of these cards and packs were really super cheap that time. I think almost half the price of the English version. However, because of the demand, okay, the Japanese booster packs increased, the price increased. So it will happen also in the Korean Pokemon cards, guys. So don't take it lightly. Don't tell that it's cheap because it's Korean. No, it's cheap because the demand in Korean cards, okay, is still at normal level. It's not like in English version and Japanese version wherein there's so many scalpers that that getting those booster packs and ETBs. So for example, imagine if those ETBs, okay, or Korean ETBs will have a lot of scalpers on or have a lot of demands, then probably guys those packs will go high as well, will increase the value as well. Because the quality guys is really 90% the same or 100% the same. So you can see here in my video guys, the illustration rare, okay, the SARs. Okay, I also compare the side by side the Japanese version to Korean version. Guys, the printing quality is the same, the glossiness is the same. They only differ in the paper stock, which is actually only notable in the normal card. So I will show you guys. Okay, so Korean version card is a bit lighter. It's a bit thinner. Okay, for normal cards. However, for the illustration rares, okay, and the SR, this cards is a bit thicker, and the texture is really different for the SR compared to the normal card. So it's a bit cheap because of the normal card is a bit quality of the normal card is a bit how I say thinner. But if you cut this, okay, we will cut, guys. So if you will cut this, guys, you can see the same stock. Okay, so you can see this stock here. Okay, in the middle, it's a grayish or bluish stock. So this signifies that the card is real, like in Japanese version. Okay, so in Japanese version, you can see almost the same stock. Okay, but it's a bit thicker in Japanese version, but it's very, very, the difference is very small. Okay, so I will show you guys using our precision precision okay, we will weigh this, guys. So the weight of the Korean card is 1.6 gram. Okay, so however the Japanese version is around, so this is Japanese version. Japanese version, 1.6 also. I know it's 1.7. Hey, it's the same. Okay, so Japanese version is the same. The way of Japanese. Oh, sorry, not this one. Wait, guys. Yeah, this one is Japanese version. 1.6. So Japanese and Korean version, guys, is the same. Okay, sorry for that. But the English version is a bit heavier. Let's check. Okay, it's the English version. Yeah, so you can see the English version is 1.9 because the English version, guys, has the black ink inside. There's a bit a different what you call that? Different paper stock. So the difference on that makes the English card version a bit thicker and heavier. But in terms of quality, printing quality, guys, I must say that the Korean version is really good, guys. You can see here, guys, in Absol. You see the quality of those prints is insane. Okay, so here is the Japanese version. Let's grab some Japanese version, guys. Okay, this is Japanese version. Okay, so the printing is also nice. Okay, let's grab the English version. Okay, this is the English version, guys. So it's almost the same. It's just the cardstock difference. So imagine, guys, we are telling that the Korean card is cheap because only of the cardstock, which is similar to Japanese. You are comparing side by side Korean and Japanese version, guys, and there's no much really difference, guys. So you can check other videos as well. You can do your own research, but I can say that the Korean market will boom someday, like Japanese market, guys. So if you also think the same, guys, I think it's time, guys, to think twice and revisit the market, so you can also invest, guys, in Korean packs. That's what I'm telling. And see you again, guys, on the next video, guys. God bless, and please subscribe.